exercise 7.1. Last time I did worked examples based on distance formula. What is the distance formula? That is A and B coordinates are given. You have to find out using the formula. What is the distance formula? Root of x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. With this distance formula we can find out whether the vertices are the triangle vertices are given, whether these vertices forms a triangle or not, whether the vertices of a quadrilateral will form a square or not, will form a rectangle or not. Like that sums we can do. So some worked examples I had shown you. Today we will start with exercise 7.1. What is the first example? Find the distance between the following pairs of points. So the second sum and third sum I have taken. First sum you have to do as homework. So minus 5, 7, that is x1 is minus 5, x2 is 7. So x1 minus 5, y1 7, x2 minus 1, y2 3. So let us take that. Let the point be as P and let this point be as Q. Let the coordinates of point P as minus 5, 7 and let the coordinate of Q be as minus 1, 3. We have to find out this distance. Okay. So we will use the distance formula. So what the distance formula says? PQ is equal to square root of x coordinate of Q minus x coordinate of P. You remember in this way it will be very easy. X coordinate of Q minus x coordinate of P. So minus 1 minus of minus 5 the whole square. 2 minus sign are there. So I have kept 1 minus sign in the bracket. Plus y2 minus y1. That is y coordinate of Q minus y coordinate of P. What is y coordinate of Q? 3. What is y coordinate of P? 7. That is in the bracket 3 minus 7 the whole square is equal to root of minus 1 will remain as it is, minus into minus. What is minus into minus? Plus. So plus 5 the whole square plus 3 minus 7. So 7, first one positive, one negative integer. I have already explained how to do the subtraction. Take the greater number, subtract the smaller number. 7 is greater number, smaller is 3. So 7 minus 3 is how much? 4. Then again you see the greater number. What sign is there? Minus. So minus 4 the whole square is equal to again. Now one positive, one negative. Same rule. Take the greater number 5. Smaller number 1. Subtract. 5 minus 1 is 4. Greater number is positive. So you will get it as 4 square plus in the bracket minus 4 square. That is equal to, what is 4 square? 4 into 4. 4 4s are 16 plus minus 4 square. Minus 4 into minus 4. Minus into minus what will you get? Plus. 4 into 4 is what? 16. So we got 16 plus 16. So what will you get? Therefore, PQ is equal to square root of 16 plus 16, 32. So you got it as square root of 32. You can again you can simplify it. You can write it down 16 into 2. 16 square root is 4. You can write the answer as 4 root 2 also. Or if you don't know further to simplify, you can stop the answer at PQ is equal to root 32 also. That is also correct answer. So came to know how to find out the distance. So we need distance formula. What is the distance formula? Distance formula says that root of x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. That is what the distance formula is. So here it tells us to find what is the distance between these 2 points. P is one point whose coordinate is minus 5, 7. Q is another point whose coordinate is minus 1, 3. So we found out that PQ is equal to, either you can write it down as root 32 or you can write it down as what? 4 root 2. Now let us go to the third example. AB is the one point and minus A minus B are the coordinates of another point. So let us take that this point is A and this point is B. So we have to find out what is the distance between A, B. Let the coordinate of point A and B. Let the coordinate of point B be minus A, minus B. So we have to find out what is AB over here. The same distance formula. What the distance formula says that x coordinate of B minus x coordinate of A. So what is the x coordinate of B is minus A. Minus A the whole square plus y coordinate of B minus y coordinate of A. So that also minus B the whole square is equal to square root of A and A are the like terms. In algebra we know like terms can be added. No number is there which is 1. So minus 1A minus 1A. Use the rules. Two negative integers, add and keep negative sign. Minus 1A minus, that is 1A is 2A. Both are negative integers. So it will become minus 2A the whole square plus. Minus B again same thing. Two negative integers, add and keep negative sign. 1b and 1b. Nothing is there means it is understood 1. 1b plus 1b is how much? 2b. So we got it as minus 2b the whole square is equal to square root of minus 2a the whole square means what? Minus 2a into minus 2a. Minus into minus is plus. 2 2s are 4. A into a is a square. So what we got it as 4a square plus. Again, minus 2b into minus 2b. Minus into minus plus. 2 2s are 4. b into b is b square. So what we got it as plus 4b square. Okay. So what can I do over here? 4 I can take out common, root a square plus b square. So this is nothing but what it is. You know, how can you see this and how can you write down this? That is root 4 into root of a square plus b square. You can bifurcate this. Square root 4, we know what is square root 4? It is 2. So 2 root a square plus b square is your answer. So the distance between a and b is how much? 2. Why 2? Because 4 is a perfect square number and we know that we can find out the square root of a perfect square number. What is square root of 4? Square root of 4 is 2. So we got it as 2. A square plus b square, we cannot take out the what you call it as square root because a square plus b square is there. So we will keep it as it is. So it will become 2 root of a square plus b square. So this is how you have to solve the distance between any pairs of coordinates are given between 2 points. Then you have to use the distance formula. So once again I am telling you the distance formula. What is distance formula? Distance formula says that x2 minus x1 square root of x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. So this is what the first sum in exercise 7.1 is asked. So now we will go to the next sum that I will show you how to do the next sum. Let us see the second sum what is given. Find the distance between points 0, 0 and 36, 15. Can you now find the distance between two towns A and B discussed below? What is given? Town A is given which is 36 km due east. Town B is given which is 15 km due north to town A. So when we are showing the towns, you should be very careful regarding the directions. So first we will take the direction. Okay. How many directions are there? 4 directions are there. North, south, east, west. Well, that 4 directions when we draw, what will happen? The north and south will get the vertical line. West and east will get it as horizontal line. So So this is the direction. So north is there, south is there, west is there and east is there. So we got the origin. So 0, 0 means from origin. Okay. So this is O, we will take it as. So the town A is situated towards what? East. East direction. 36 kilometer. How much it is? 36 kilometer. Okay. So that we can't draw kilometer over there. So what we take it as 1 kilometer. Okay, so what will take it as 1 unit is equal to 1 kilometer will take it as, so we will mark the units 1, 2, 3 and what it is, how much it is, 3.36, so 1, 2, 3 and 4. So this is the east direction. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So what it is, 1 unit is equal to 1 kilometer. So 36 kilometer means it will become 3.6. So 1, 2, 3. 3.6 means this is 3.5 somewhere over here. This is your town A. In which direction it is? In the north direction. Okay, so you take it as 10 units is equal to 1 kilometer. So what will I get? 36 kilometer will become 3.6 units. So this is your town A. From which? From the origin. Towards which side? East side. So this OA became your, what you call it, 36 kilometer. From A, what happens? Another town is situated. In which direction? North direction. So where we have to take? Towards the north direction. This is the north direction. And how much it is? 15 kilometer. 10 units is equal to 1 kilometer we have taken. So it will become 1.5. So this is 1.5. Here the town B is. So this is 15 kilometer and this is 36 kilometer. He tells you to find out now what is the distance between this. That is what? The distance between O and B. I have to find out what is OB. Okay. So that means what is the coordinate of O? Coordinate of O, it is origin. So coordinate of O is 0, 0. What is the coordinate of B? X-axis how much it is? 36. Y-axis how much it is? 15. The coordinate of B is 36, 15. Now we have to use the distance formula. So what will be OB is equal to, let us see. So OB is equal to, okay, what it says that the x coordinate of B minus x coordinate of O, that is 36 minus 0. So 36 minus 0 the whole square plus y coordinate of B minus y coordinate of O. So what it will become? 15 minus 0 the whole square is equal to square root of that. Anything from any number you subtract 0, the number remains the same. So 36 minus 0 is what? 36 the whole square plus 15 minus 0 is what? 15 the whole square. So is equal to 36 square. So it is 36 into 36. 6 6 are 36, carry 3. 6 3s are 18 plus 3 is 21. 3 6 are 18, carry 1. 3 3s are 9 plus 1 is 10. 6, 9, 2, 1. So it is square root of 1296 plus 15 square is 225. 1296 plus 225. 6 plus 5 is 11, carry 1. 9 plus 1 is 10. 10 plus 2 is 12, carry 1. 2 plus 2, 4 plus 1, 5. So you got it as square root of 1521. So this is the distance between the two, what we call it as towns, that is town A and town B. So what we are using? We are using distance formula. What does distance formula says that? Root of x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. You can keep the answer in this way only, or you can try to find out the square root of this. Okay, so better to keep this. So this many what it is? Kilometer. So what is the distance between A and B? The distance between A and B town is square root of 1521. It is how much? That much kilometer. So came to know how to do it. Or if you want to try it, what you can do is that 9 9s are 81. So 29 into 29 or 1 1s are 1. So 21 into 21 you can take. 29 into 29 you can take. 31 into 31 you can take. 39 into 39 you can take. Multiply. If it is a perfect square, you will get the number. If it is not a perfect square, then you have to see that 1521 lies between which two numbers. But better to keep it in the square root only. So your answer is square root of 1521 kilometer. Now you can see the third sum what is given. Determine if the points 1, 5, 2, 3, minus 2, minus 11 are collinear. First let us try to understand what is meant by collinear. Collinear means if I take one point is here, one point is here, one point. Means if I draw a line through this, all these points should be present on the same line. They should lie in the same, what to call it as, on the same straight line. So if you take this is A, this as B, this as C. So point A I will take 1, 5. Then point B I will take 2, 3. And point C I will take it as minus 2, minus 11. Now you can see that if it is a collinear, that means A2, you can see that AC is a line segment which is made up of AB and BC. So what I can say that AC is equal to AB plus BC. If I am able to prove that AC is equal to AB plus BC means ABC are collinear. That means I have to find out how much is AC, I have to find out how much is AB and how much is BC. Then after finding AB and BC I have to add and see. If I get it is equal to AC, then what can I say that A, comma B, comma C are lying in a straight line, collinear. B is anywhere on the line. B is not at the center. Keep that in mind. B is anywhere on the line. If B would have become center, we could have put AB is equal to BC. But B is not at the center. B is lying anywhere on the line. So we have to show that we have to find out what is AB, we have to find out what is AC, add AB and BC, then find out what is AC and compare the values. If AC value become equal to sum of AB and BC, then we can say that ABC are collinear. So we have to find out what is AC, what is AB and what is BC. So first we will try to find out what is AC is equal to AC. That means what? The x coordinate of C minus x coordinate of A. So minus 2 minus 1 the whole, minus 2 minus 1 the whole square plus y coordinate of C minus y coordinate of A. So what we get? Minus 11 minus 5 the whole square. So that is equal to root of two negative numbers. I won't all on and again explain the rules. You know, minus 1 minus 2 means minus 3 the whole square plus minus 11 minus 5 is minus 16 the whole square. So what shall we get it over here? So AC is equal to square root of minus 3 into minus 3, 9 plus minus 16 into minus 16, minus 16 into minus 16, 16 that 256. So AC is equal to square root of 9 plus 6 is 15, carry 1, 5 plus 1 is 6 and 2. So how much you got it as? AC is equal to root of 265. Now let us find out what is AB is equal to. AB, x coordinate of B minus x coordinate of A. So B minus x coordinate of A whole square plus y coordinate of B minus y coordinate of A. 3 minus 5 the whole square is equal to square root of 2 minus 1 is 1 square plus 3 minus 5. Minus sign is greater, so answer will become minus. 5 minus 3 is how much? Minus 2 the whole square. So is equal to square root of 1 square is 1 plus minus 2 into minus 2 is 4 is equal to root 5. Next what we should find out, what is BC? So BC is equal to square root of, okay, x coordinate of C minus x coordinate of B the whole square. So minus 2 the whole square plus y coordinate of C minus y coordinate of B. So minus 11 minus 3 the whole square is equal to minus 4 the whole square plus minus 14 the whole square. Minus 4 square is 16 plus 14 is 196 is equal to square root of 10, 11, 212. So BC we got 212, AB we got root 5 and AC we got 265. So we can't show that. So what you can show that? AC is not equal to AB plus BC. Therefore, A comma B comma C are not collinear. So came to know the answer. So we have to prove. So AC is root 265, AB is root 5 and BC is root 212. When can we add the two roots? We can add the two roots when what is there? The order should be also the same and the number written inside should be also same. So we can't add, it can't become equal. That means A comma B comma C are not collinear. So came to know how to do this sum. Now let us see sum number 4. What does it say? Check whether 5 minus 2 it is a coordinate of a point, 6, 4 it is a coordinate of another point and 7 minus 2 is a coordinate of the third point. Are the vertices of an isosceles triangle? What is an isosceles triangle? A triangle which has two sides equal. It can be any two sides. It can be AB and BC can become equal, or BC and CA can become equal, or CA and AB can become equal. We don't know which two sides are equal. So what we have to find out? Find out first what is AB with the distance formula. Find out what is BC with distance formula. Find out what is CA with distance formula. Compare the values of AB, BC and CA. You can immediately find out which two sides are equal. Means it is this particular points are the vertices of an isosceles triangle. So first we try to find out what is the distance formula for AB. AB means what? X coordinate of B minus X coordinate of A. So it will be 6 minus 5 the whole square plus y coordinate of B minus y coordinate of A. So minus sign is there, so we'll put a big bracket 4 minus of minus 2 bracket over whole square. So what shall we get over here? 6 minus 5 is how much? 1. So 1 square plus 4 minus of minus 2. That is 4 plus 2 the whole square. So what we will get over here? 1 square is 1 plus 4 plus 2 is how much? 6. So 6 square is how much? 36. So we can write it down as 36. 1 plus 36 is how much? 37. Root 37 does not have any square root. So let it be as it is. So AB you got it as root 37. Now AB is over. Now which is the next side? BC. So let us find out what is BC is equal to square root of BC, that is x coordinate of C minus x coordinate of B, that is 7 minus 6 the whole square. 7 minus 6 the whole square plus y coordinate of C minus y coordinate of B. So what it will become? Minus 2 minus 4 the whole square is equal to 7 minus 6. How much is 7 minus 6? 1. So we get it as 1 square plus minus 2 minus 4. Two negative numbers. Add and keep negative sign. So minus 6 the whole square. 1 square is how much? 1. Minus 6 means 6 square means what? Minus 6 into minus 6. Minus into minus is plus 6 6 are 36. So plus 36 is equal to root 37. Last, CA. So let us find out what is CA is equal to square root of x coordinate of A minus x coordinate of C whole square. 5 minus 7 the whole square plus y coordinate of A minus y coordinate of C. So what we will get? Minus 2 minus of minus 2 the whole square is equal to 5 minus 7 is minus 2 the whole square. Bigger number is 7. It is minus plus. Then minus 2 minus of minus plus. So minus 2 plus 2 whole square. Minus 2 plus 2 means what is 0. So what we get? Minus 2 the whole square plus 0 the whole square. Minus 2 the whole square means what? Minus 2 into minus 2. Minus into minus is plus. So plus 4. So root of 4 plus 0 is equal to square root 4 is equal to 2. Now let us compare. AB value we got it as root 37. So BC value we got it as root 37. CA value we got it as 2. So what we got it as? AB is equal to BC is equal to root 37 and CA is equal to 2. Two sides are equal. What happens when two sides are equal? What type of triangle it is? So yes, it is. These points are the vertices of an isosceles triangle. So yes, the given points are vertices of isosceles triangle. Why? Because two sides are equal. What is an isosceles triangle? If any two sides are equal, the triangles become isosceles. Three sides are equal, equilateral. No sides are equal, scalene. So we have proved that the vertices are the given vertices are the vertices of isosceles triangle.